afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, and thank you for coming to our rally today to put people first. We are here at the start of the legislative season to bring the voices of the people, the voices of the 99% to our State House. How long have we been waiting for that voice? And now we're here. We are here to demand a government that puts people first. For decades, the government of the 1% has resulted in reduced revenue and the erosion of access to services that meet the basic needs of Vermonters, such as health care, education, housing. And we are here to remind our elected representatives of government's fundamental obligation to respect, protect, and fulfill the human rights of its people. We are here to change what is politically possible by demanding and supporting our elected officials to do the right thing. Specifically today, we are here to renew our commitment to health care as a human right campaign and to introduce our People's Budget and our Vermont Parents United campaign. We are here to continue our commitment to health care as a human right, and we're here to pledge to change what's politically possible so that all Vermonters will have access to universal and equitable health care. We are also here to talk about the Put People First campaign, which has launched the Vermont Parents United campaign. Parents are joining with early educators to organize for quality, affordable child care, the right for early educators to organize their union, and for a people's budget. Parents and grandparents must have a united voice for the future of our children, so they can grow up in a world where human rights are respected and there's a safe, healthy planet to live on. Parents are saying enough is enough. Our kids deserve better. And with our People's Budget campaign, we are demanding a budgeting process that begins with an assessment of human needs that explicitly addresses itself to satisfying human needs and that evaluates itself according to its success in satisfying those needs. Public policy has for 3 decades served private interests and corporate goals, resulting in a government that has turned its back on the people it is required to serve. In demanding social and economic justice, Vermonters are seeking a different focus for government. Instead of cutting public services to match the amount that the wealthy are willing to contribute, our elected officials must raise the revenue it will take to provide the services necessary to satisfy the needs of Vermonters. We are not asking for the budget pie to be sliced in different ways, shrinking one public service to grow another. We are not here simply to demand a bigger budget pie, though that's certainly needed. We are here to demand a new approach to public policy, a new process for creating public budgets, and a process that puts people first. The People's Budget campaign demands that our elected representatives commit to a transparent, participatory, and accountable budgeting process that will result in full funding and full staffing of the programs and services that will allow every Vermonter to live a dignified, fruitful life in their community. We must develop our budget by fully addressing human needs first, and only then figure out what the necessary budget will be. We demand tax policy that satisfies the fundamental human rights principles of equity. We must raise enough money to fully fund public services, and we must raise that money in a way that distributes the burden fairly. When Tropical Storm Irene swept through Vermont, we did the right thing. We worked to meet people's needs first, knowing that figuring out how much it would cost and how to raise that money should fall after we addressed our human needs. We are not asking for help. We are not begging for charity. We are demanding democracy. We gather here today because this is our house, and this is what democracy looks like. We are gathered in solidarity in urging our elected officials to be focused on their responsibility to the people instead of to private interest of a few. We live in a land where government is not only by the people, but it's for the people. 2011 was the year of the Arab Spring, the restless European summer, and the American autumn. 2012 must be the year of put people first. 2012 must be a year where we continue to work to ensure we stay on the road to fully implement Act 48. 2012 must be the year where we support the rights of early childhood educators and Parents United. 2012 must be the year we commit to a people's budget based on needs, not greed. So I'm here to introduce some of the people that are so involved in the different aspects of put people first. And I'd first like to present Cindy Perron and Mari Cordes, who will talk to you about our healthcare campaign. Thank you.